Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that deserve your hard-earned money. In today's video, we are going to break down the top 3 wood chippers available on the market. Our team has reviewed many products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our ranking based on many factors such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the manufacturer's reputation. So watch this video till the end. At number 3. Champion Power Equipment 3-inch Portable Chipper. This powerful portable chipper has one single-cylinder OHV engine with a 1.6-gallon fuel tank for fast, heavy-duty and hassle-free chipping and shredding. This chipper chute is equipped with hardened steel blades and handles branches up to 3 inches in diameter to provide easier chipping. The shredder chute makes fast work of shrubbery, leaves or yard debris up to ½ an inch or less in diameter without any hustle. It is equipped with an integrated handle, and its vertical design allows for easy maneuverability and storage. This portable wood chipper shredder can be used for forestry, gardens, landscaping or yard waste recycling to chip tree branches and shred brush. At number 2. EFCUT C30 Wood Chipper Shredder. This wood chipper has a 15.6-inch cutting rotor with 2 blades and 6 hammers for turning out smaller shreds with high feeding speed. The wood chipper can easily chip, shred and mulch 3-inch max branches, limbs with leaves at a high waste reduction ratio up to 20:1. It has a powerful recoil starting gasoline engine with horizontal 4-stroke single-cylinder OHV gas engine with 0.7 gallons maximum capacity. This high-quality wood chipper has 2 unique design check windows, the front one for blades replacement and the back one for clearing blockage of debris. EFCUT 30 wood chipper is used for forestry, gardens, landscaping or yard waste recycling to chip tree branches and shred bush. At number 1. GreatCircleUSA Wood Chipper. This 3-in-1 wood chipper and shredder is designed to have a reduction ratio of 15:1 that ensures effective waste removal. Its features include a powerful recoil starting 7 HP, 212 cubic centimeters, horizontal, 4-stroke single-cylinder, OHV gas-powered engine that can handle up to 3 diameter wood. This machine is EPA, CARB certified, hence it can be used to aid in fire prevention and building fire breaks. It is best used for forestry, gardens, landscaping or green waste recycling to chip tree branches, limbs, shred brush, mulch leaves and corn stalks. This product provides a chipping capacity of 1:2 and its wide cone chute makes loading efficient and easy. That's all. You can see the latest prices and find out more information about the products we mentioned in this video using the links below in the description. And don't forget to press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching our video. Until next time, have a nice day.